Alright guys, this is a quick unboxing of the HOVERAir X1 ProMax drone. It is one of the smallest drones on the market at the moment, and the one thing that makes this drone stick out, it's that it shoots 8K, which is the highest quality for a mini drone right now. So we're going to quickly unbox it, see what it comes with, and go from there. I've been looking for a mini drone for quite some time because obviously I've been a drone fan for so long with DJI, and I just want something that I can just take with me and not really worry about setup time. Just quick captures and that's it. So this is by Hover. Ooh, very nice. We have the please read before you fly. So again, talking about the drone, getting the scanning the QR code, getting the app, and pretty much how to take off. So pretty self-explanatory. Put that aside, and look what we got over here. We have the carrying case. It's a really nice, well-made carrying case, I have to say. So just open this up. See what comes in the package. Oh, and there you go. It's not a lot of stuff, but you have the drone. Wow, this drone is very, very light, guys. This thing is... wow. I didn't expect it to be this light. And, so there's an SD card here, which makes it stand out compared to DJI's version, the Neo 2. You can expand the storage, USB-C, which is great. And it just folds out like that. That is the drone, pretty much. It fits in the palm of your hand. There's only a couple of buttons on top, so you have the main button, and you have left and right to scroll through. There is a camera obstacle avoidance at the bottom, and the one thing it sticks out to, it has this one in the back, so it should be able to avoid most of the obstacles. But the one thing I love about it is this. It just folds, and it's so nice in your hand. I cannot believe that this is such a drone that exists. It folds. Look at that. Easy on the go. Especially if you're traveling or doing some sort of activity, you just want to open it and get right to it. That's it. Alright, so what else comes in the package? So we also have the battery charger, and it comes with an extra battery. Wow, these batteries are pretty thin and pretty small. Now, flight time is about 15 minutes, if I read correctly. So we'll see how that really lasts, because obviously it depends on how you shoot, how long you fly. But again, this is for just quick capture, so hopefully that's not too bad. So that's that. So just a drone. The battery's already built into the drone. Not built in, but it comes with the drone here. And then you have the extra battery, so it comes with 2 batteries and a charger. So we have that all settled. Next, let's see what comes in the other package in here. We have a USB charger cord right here. Look at this. So it just comes with a cord to help charge it, but if you are like me, you have multiple USB charging cords all over the place, so extra one is always a good thing. And I'm assuming this is some paperwork. Oh, it comes with an extra guard. What is this? Oh, okay. It's a little frame. Okay, and then you have another pouch to carry the drone. Not bad, Hover. Not bad. That's great. And I believe that's it. So again, just little accessories to take the drone with you. But other than that, that's pretty much it. So again, the cord, little pouch over there. And then here's all the paperwork. Oh, here's some decals, which is great. That's awesome. So what else comes with it? So there's some decals for the drone. Oh, wow, you can actually design it. That's pretty cool. And then the quick start guide. Okay. We gotta go through that a couple of times and see how this works. But that's pretty much it, guys. So again, just a pouch, the drone, extra battery, a charger, USB-C cable, and you should be ready to go. So other than that, guys, I'm gonna be testing out the drone. Follow for more. Like, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Peace.